Hello everybody, this is Soumya. Welcome to my channel. We already discussed what is business communication and its scopes and importance. Today we will discuss about the objectives of business communication. There are so many objectives in business communication. You all know that the business communication is a very important part in every business sector. Why? Because feedback is an integral part of business communication. Organization these days are very large and involve large number of people. There are various levels of hierarchy in an organization. Greater the number of levels, the more difficult in the job of managing the organization. So, the business communication here plays a very important role in process of directing and controlling the people in the organization. Let us discuss the objectives of business communication. What are the objectives? One is to exchange the information. The main objective of business communication is to exchange information with internal and external parties. Why? For the orders, for the instruction, for the suggestion, for the opinions and the distribution of any information about the organization. Okay, the next one is to develop plans. Plan is the blueprint of future course of action. The plan must be formulated for attaining organizational goal. In order to develop a plan, management requires the information. In this regard, the objective of business communication is to supply required information to the concerned manager. Okay. Another one is to implement the plan. Once a plan is prepared, it is to be implemented. To execute the plan, we require timely communication with the concerned parties. The next one is to facilitate policy formulation. Policies are the guidelines for performing organizational activities. Policies are also termed as standing decisions to reducing problems. Preparing policies also require information from various sources. To collect the information from different sources, the organization need the business communication. Another point is to achieve organizational goal. Communication coordinates and synchronizes the efforts of employees at various levels to achieve the stated goals of the organization. Then the next one is to organize resources. Various kinds of resources are available in an organization, such as human resources, material resources, financial resources, and so on. In organizing these resources in an effective and efficient way is a key challenge to the manager. Communication is the vehicle to overcome these challenges. Okay, to coordinate. Coordination is also a basic management function. It involves linking the various functional departments of larger organization. Therefore, the business communication became the important tool to coordinate with various departments for the easy attainment of organizational goals. Another point is to direct the subordinates. In order to get the things done, management needs to lead, direct, and control the employees. The performance of these managerial functions depends on effective communication with subordinates. Next, to motivate the employees. The employees' motivation means the satisfaction of their financial and non-financial needs. The financial needs are fulfilled through monetary returns, and the non-financial needs to fulfill their additional needs on the regular basis, both formally and informally. Then, to create consciousness, employees of an organization must be conscious about their duties and responsibilities. Communication supplies necessary information and makes them conscious about their duties and responsibilities. You all know that the duty is always the primary factor in every sector. The next one is to increase efficiency. In order to increase employee efficiency, they should be provided with necessary information and guidelines. Communication supplies such information and guidelines for them. Next one is to bring dynamism. Organizations should be dynamic to cope with the internal and external changes. Bringing dynamism requires finding new and better way of doing things. For this purpose, communication helps to seek new ideas and suggestions from the internal and external parties. The next one is to improve labor management relationship. Harmonious relationship between worker and management is a prerequisite for organizational success. In this regard, the objective of communication is to ensure the free and fair flow of information and to create good understanding between them. The next one is to increase job satisfaction. Communication enhances job satisfaction level of employees. To create a friendly environment where employees can express themselves, the managers need the communication. Okay, the next one is to convey employee reaction. Communication also conveys the employees' reactions, opinion, suggestions and complaints to their superiors about the plans, policies, programs, proposals, strategies of the company. Okay. Then to orient the employee. Communication orients the new employees with the company's policies, rules, regulations, procedures, etc. Other than these points, there are also different points are related to objectives of business communication. Okay, we will discuss the next one in our next class.